Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to check manufacture date of this laptop. So the manufacture date is located on the back cover of your laptop, so let me close the lid and show you where to find your manufacture date. So right here you'll find the information about your laptop, and if you take a closer look right here, you'll see MFG date information, which stands for manufacturing date, and for me it's 2024-08-07, which means 7th of August 2024. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.